Looking for the perfect tablet to power through your studies without breaking the bank? Whether you're taking digital notes in lecture halls, streaming course videos, or just need a reliable device for research and assignments, choosing the right tablet can make or break your academic experience. Today, we're reviewing 6 fantastic student tablets, ranging from budget-friendly options to premium powerhouses that can replace your laptop. All product links are in the description below. Let's dive in. Starting with the Samsung Galaxy Tab M11 Plus, this tablet proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get quality performance. Samsung delivers an 11-inch Full HD display with 90Hz refresh rate that makes scrolling through notes and web pages surprisingly smooth. The quad speaker setup with Dolby Atmos is genuinely impressive for this price range, making lecture recordings crystal clear. With the Snapdragon 695 processor and up to 8 GB of RAM, it handles everyday tasks like web research, note-taking apps, and streaming without frustrating slowdowns. Here's a crucial limitation. This tablet has absolutely no stylus support whatsoever. It's designed for touch input only, so if handwritten notes are important to you, this isn't your tablet. You can pair it with a Bluetooth keyboard for typing essays, but that's an extra purchase. Samsung promises 3+ years of software updates, which means this tablet will stay secure throughout your entire degree program. The lack of fingerprint scanner means you'll be typing PINs more often than you'd like. But if you're fine with typing instead of writing and need a reliable device for reading textbooks and basic productivity, the Tab A9 Plus delivers exceptional value with its 8+ hours of battery life. Moving up to the Xiaomi Pad 7, this tablet punches way above its weight class. The star here is that gorgeous 11.2-inch display with 3.2K resolution and a blazing fast 144Hz refresh rate that rivals tablets costing twice as much. The Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chipset paired with up to 12 GB of RAM delivers flagship-level responsiveness. Picture this scenario. You're writing an essay with Google Docs on one side while referencing multiple research tabs on the other, maybe with a YouTube lecture playing in a floating window, and the Pad 7 doesn't even break a sweat. This tablet fully supports the Xiaomi Focus Pen for digital note-taking, and you can add a keyboard with trackpad for a laptop-like experience, both sold separately. The quad speakers deliver rich sound that's actually better than many laptops. Battery life manages around 10 hours despite that high refresh display. The main compromise is software support with only about 2 years of Android updates. There's also no cellular option and no fingerprint scanner. But for students who want near flagship specs without the flagship price, especially those who will add a stylus later for note-taking, the Xiaomi Pad 7 offers maximum bang for your buck. The Lenovo Tab M11 focuses on practicality over raw performance. For around $150 to $180, many retail packages actually include both a folio case and the Lenovo Tab Pen right in the box. That's huge value when you compare it to tablets that make you spend extra for stylus support. The MediaTek Helio G88 processor with 4 GB of RAM won't win any speed contests, but it handles PDF reading, note-taking, and video streaming just fine. Unlike the Tab A9 Plus that can't use any stylus at all, here you get pen input right out of the box. The 11-inch display is adequate for indoor use, though you'll struggle in bright sunlight. You can add a Bluetooth keyboard for typing longer documents. Battery life consistently delivers 9 to 10 hours, perfect for all-day classes. Storage is generous at 128 GB with microSD expansion, and Lenovo promises security updates until 2028. For budget-conscious students who specifically want stylus support without breaking the bank, the Tab M11 is your answer. Samsung returns with the Galaxy Tab S10 FE, their fan edition that brings premium features to the mid-range market. The standout feature is the included S Pen that comes right in the box, and this isn't just any stylus, it's Samsung's premium pen that never needs charging. The writing experience is nearly identical to Samsung's $1,000 flagship tablets. Taking notes feels natural and responsive, with Samsung's excellent software allowing you to convert handwriting to text, solve equations, and annotate PDFs seamlessly. The 10.9-inch display with 90Hz refresh provides a smooth canvas for both work and play. You can add Samsung's keyboard cover to transform this into a laptop replacement with DX mode. Build quality is exceptional with IP68 water resistance. The Exynos 1580 processor handles everyday tasks smoothly, though it's not built for heavy gaming like the Xiaomi Pad 7. Samsung promises up to 7 years of updates, making this potentially the longest-lasting Android tablet you can buy. While the dual speakers don't match quad setups and there's no fingerprint scanner, for serious note-takers who want that premium S Pen experience included from day one, the Tab S10 FE delivers incredible value. The Lenovo Idea Tab Pro takes things up with its massive 12.7-inch display that gives you laptop-like screen real estate. Both the Lenovo Tab Pen Plus stylus and a protective folio case come included in the box, so you're getting hundreds of dollars worth of extras at no additional cost. The stylus offers 4096 pressure levels for detailed note-taking and drawing. The MediaTek Dimensity 8300 processor delivers about 60% better performance than Lenovo's previous generation. The tablet features Google's Gemini AI built right in, essentially giving you an AI tutor that can help brainstorm ideas or explain complex concepts. The Circle to Search feature lets you circle any unfamiliar term with your finger or pen to Google it instantly without switching apps. You can add a keyboard for typing, and this tablet even supports video output to external monitors for a true desktop experience, something even the Samsung S10 FE can't do. At over 600 grams with that wide footprint, you won't be holding this one-handed for long. But if you're looking for maximum screen space with stylus and case included, the Idea Tab Pro offers exceptional value for research-heavy students. Finally, we have the OnePlus Pad 3, the performance king of this lineup. With its massive 13.2-inch display running at 144 Hz and the flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, this tablet doesn't just compete with laptops, it embarrasses some of them. The 8-speaker setup is the best audio system on any tablet I've researched. This tablet fully supports the OnePlus Stylo 2 pen for note-taking with low latency and tilt support for natural drawing. You can also add OnePlus's magnetic keyboard for serious productivity. However, OnePlus sells everything separately, so the pen, keyboard, and case can add several $100s to your total investment. That enormous 12,000 mAh battery easily powers through 2 days of moderate use, and the 80-watt fast charging gets you from empty to full in about an hour. The engineering that allows such powerful performance in a device under 6 mm thin is genuinely impressive. The main frustrations beyond the accessory costs are no fingerprint scanner and no cellular option. But for power users who need stylus support on a performance beast and can budget for the accessories, the OnePlus Pad 3 delivers an Android experience that rivals the iPad Pro. So which tablet should you choose? If you absolutely don't need stylus support and want the cheapest option with good performance, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus delivers great value for touch and keyboard use only. For budget stylus users, the Lenovo Tab M11 wins by including both pen and case in many packages. The Xiaomi Pad 7 brings the best display and performance in the mid-range with stylus support available as an add-on. For premium note-taking with an included S Pen that never needs charging, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE is worth the investment. The Lenovo Idea Tab Pro gives you maximum screen space plus included pen and case, perfect for research-heavy work. And if you demand top-tier performance with stylus capability and can budget for accessories, the OnePlus Pad 3 is your powerhouse option. Remember that 5 out of 6 tablets here support stylus input, with only the Tab A9 Plus limited to touch and keyboard. All 6 can use Bluetooth keyboards for typing. Links to all these tablets and their compatible accessories are in the description below. Thanks for watching and good luck with your studies.